I just found 15 brand new apps that will pay you to pretty much do nothing even while you sleep. Most of these apps are available worldwide. They don't require any previous experience and are available for both iOS and Android. But I want to be 100% honest with you from the start. None of these apps will make you a millionaire, but they'll also not waste your time. If you're just trying to make some money online, and yes, some of them really pay you to just sleep. And let's actually begin with the app number 1, which is Evidation app, which essentially pay you for actions like walking, sleeping, and more. So it's essentially this healthy app that helps you track your sleep and steps, but it also pays you, and the reason it pays you is because it's also showing a lot of ads when you're actually accessing the app, and it also collects some data from you, and then they use the data for research, and that's why they're actually paying millions of their users to walk and sleep. So that doesn't really require any extra work. You pretty much just install it on your phone and just place your phone in your pocket, and while you're walking, while you're sleeping, it's essentially going to be earning you some points which you can exchange for real money. The app number 2 is called Earn FM, and Earn FM will essentially pay you for sharing your internet data. With this one, you also pretty much don't need to do anything extra. You literally just have to put your phone in your pocket and you can start earning passively. And you can track your balance over here, and you can track how much money you make. Now, don't expect to make thousands of dollars from this app. It only pays like $100 a month if you really have a lot of data to share. So it's not really going to make you a lot of profits, but it does pay you to do pretty much nothing and get paid while you sleep. The app number 3 on our list is going to be Earn app. An Earn app pays you and gives you passive income when your devices rest, and obviously the more devices that you have, the more money you can make. And essentially the way it works is you will basically just download and install it, and they just collect some data in the background, and you can just sign up with Google or Apple and you can start using this. Once again, it doesn't pay you a lot, like maybe like $20 a month, but it's still good. You literally got paid to do nothing. The next app that pays you to do nothing is Sound Campaign, and Sound Campaign pays you to listen to music. And again, this is something that you already pretty much do in your free time, or like when you're lying in bed, you can just play some music. When you listen to music, you can get paid for it. You can essentially get paid $14 per song that you listen, and songs are usually like 2 or 3 minutes long. So what they're actually looking for is they're just looking for honest feedback. You just tell them what you thought about the song that you just listened to. So they also have instant payouts, and you can get paid from any country around the world to essentially help them curate the music by giving them honest feedback, and you can essentially just get paid to listen to music. The next app on our list is going to be packetshare.com, and this is another one that just allows you to earn some extra income without doing any extra work. So essentially it allows you to get paid for completely free for completing different tasks, sharing in your data, and just having the app installed on your phone and running programs in the background. Unfortunately, this one is only available for Android, and it's not really going to be for iOS. The next app in the list, which will essentially pay you for streaming and watching TV and watching movies, and that's Rewarded. So you can get paid to watch different movies because they'll be showing a lot of ads throughout those movies, and there's going to be ads all around the screen, and when you skip those ads, they essentially just split the ad revenue with you. So that's how you can get paid while watching movies, which is probably also something that you're already doing in your free time. So it's kind of like being paid to do nothing. The next app on our list allows you to literally get paid for nothing. So it allows you to make profits for your unsent SMS. So you can just share there your SMS with them, and then you can get paid and earn passive income from this for completely free. In fact, as you can see, you can join this Sim Cash for completely free, and once you set it up, you can relax, and this app will kind of work for you in the background. So you'll be receiving text SMS which you don't even have to open, you don't even have to read, but you will still get paid for it, and it gives you full control over that. The very next app on our list is going to be Block Reward, and this also rewards you for your time without having to do anything extra. So essentially you just get paid for doing nothing, but this is going to be only for crypto enthusiastic, because you will be receiving only crypto with this one. The next free app on our list is Macadam app, and this is an app that essentially gets you paid to walk just like this guy over here. So you would basically just install this, you will leave your phone in your pocket and you can just get paid without doing any extra work. And you can install this either for iOS and Android. So it's available for both of these devices, and you can just install it for completely free and make money from almost any country around the world without actually doing any extra work yourself. The next app in our list is Video Cash, and Video Cash pays you when you literally either just watch or upload videos. But if you don't get paid to watch videos, you again don't really do much because you can just leave your phone. You don't actually have to watch those videos. You basically just click play and you can just leave your phone and do whatever else you want to do, and you can get paid for it. So it's kind of like being paid to pretty much do absolutely nothing and get free rewards from it. Now this one is available only in the Play Store, so it's only for enjoying. The next app on our list is Honeygain, and Honeygain pays you effortlessly and pays you in passive income for sharing your data and more devices that you have. Obviously, the more money you can make, so if you have multiple devices, you can share more data, then you can actually make hundreds of dollars a month in passive income without doing anything. But usually people don't, and people usually make around $29 to $30 a month, which obviously isn't a lot, but it does give you some money for essentially doing nothing. Next up, we have Instagram Reels that are generated with AI, because there's this AI tool called HeyGen where you can actually generate AI avatars and you can post that on Instagram and TikTok, and you can get free traffic to different affiliate links that you put in your bio. So there's definitely quite a bit of people making money with these AI Reels without actually recording anything themselves. The next app on our list is Generate. So essentially getting you paid to generate data, and you will just leave your phone and in the background it would just collect data and you would share data with them, and that's why they will pay you. So you're literally being paid without doing anything. You can get paid even while you sleep as long as you have it installed on your phone. The next app on our list is called Fitment, and it also pays you to walk and run. So it will collect points. The more you walk and the more you run, the more points you collect. And it's also incentivizing you to be more healthy and more active. So it's really good. You would just put it in your pocket without doing any extra work. You collect points which you can then exchange for money. And remember, it's just not going to be a lot, but it's going to make you some extra money. Then we also have Cash Stars, which will pay you to listen to music like photos on Instagram, search on Google, play video games, and complete different tasks. And it is one of the highest paying apps, but you would actually have to apply by entering your name and email address and join the priority waitlist and then sign up for completely free. Now again, these apps don't really pay a lot, so I made a free tutorial where you can watch on YouTube where I show how to actually make $10,000 a month online even if you don't have any special skills or previous experience, and you can watch that by clicking in the button that's on the screen.